of this fucking conversation is for what? Look, I ain't tripping about no stupid ass slut. I'm all about my cheese and you tripping over what? Because I left $30 on the dresser when I fuck. I'm very disrespectful, I don't need a fucking hug. Just put me on the block with a Glock in the plug. I won't throw it in the club, can't charge it to the game. I got a thought that'll swallow every drop out my drain. Hell nah, I don't complain. Who the fuck can get close to me except the stop lips that proceed to catch yoke from me? Being ignorant was taught to me, so I respect the bitch that'll commit to being a hoe for free. It's mathematics, I ain't talking dynamically. I'm just trying to picture all the thoughts that abandoned me. Scandalously, I don't recommend amateurs. Should be by them hoes over there momentarily. Nah, I don't love no thoughts. Bitch, your shit cool, but I don't love your twat. I'm trying to get it, I'm in love with the guap. You can keep acting different, oh, I'm giving up my spot. Move around, slut go drown. You prevent me coming up just to see you stay down. I'm trying to keep it cool, but all you make a nigga frown. Ain't never rock Louis, but you still wanna clown. You bossy, keep bragging to your friends like he might be the one, but they knowin' you be playing. You a thot, and that'll never change. And I'm sure every man got that embedded in his brain. Oh, you insane, cause speaking on my name like you would be a reason that a nigga maintain. Laugh out loud, you better dash like Dame and keep it lit over there before I put out that flame.